5 of the biggest mistakes that real estate investors make. Catastrophic life events, job loss, death of a spouse. These are the things that can really disrupt and cause you to lose properties or go into bankruptcy. The second mistake, they grow too quickly. You find something that works. You flip a mobile home, you fix it up and you sell it, you make $10,000 for the next round. You buy 8. The third mistake, you waste too much time on the things that don't make you money. Of course you gotta keep your books. Of course you need to manage your operations. But what you really need to be doing is hiring someone. And that brings me to my 4th technique, which is you're too slow to hire employees. That really liberates you from working in your business and allows you to work on your business. And that leads me to my 5th mistake. They don't spend any time on their books and their operations. In your business, you have high-level activities and you have low-level activities. It really comes down to you knowing what your weaknesses are and building in some mechanisms to protect you from yourself. Go to infinityinvesting.com, join us for one of our free events.